Good morning. Just want to say blessings upon blessings to all of you. I love you all so much, and I thank you for the support. And yeah, I just want to talk briefly about some things I've noticed. So, um, when I had speaking engagement at Claudia up here in Northridge at your CBD store, I realized that you know I was kind of validated and the people who came to the Q&A and watched the interview was 50 plus the age group. And I was like, yes, I felt really great because I knew that as we continue to be educators, those like my mom and older are the ones who really wants to be educated. Being here in LA, anybody who's under 30, it's all about smoking, you know. And at that age, we don't really suffer from pain like that. The average person doesn't. So it's all about smoking weed. They take the CBD, but they don't really understand why they should take the CBD. They understand, what goes behind the products because for them it's all about just, smoking and the stigma. So I just want to say thank you, Claudia, for opening up your doors for us to come in and film and just talking to the community members. And funny thing is, when I and David was outside talking under a tree by the parking lot, and a gentleman, maybe 60 years old, he had a really really nice SUV. He didn't pull up in front of the store. He pulled up on the other side, but he's walking to the store, got his goods, his CBD, and he walked out. And he said hi to us. We said hi to him, and he was smiling. And David and I had this like realization that had it been a dispensary, he would have been all tense because when you go to dispensary, you walk out, you want like, oh, who's looking at me? Is a cop gonna come arrest me? So you're naturally on edge when you leave a dispensary. But he was just smiling. He got his stuff and he walked away. And this correlates to that our parents do not want to go to dispensary to get CBD. They never will. It's just too stigma related. And so having regular stores that is not catered to just smoking and all other cannabis products is not going to be featured for those who are 40-year-old. And so this past weekend we were in San Diego hanging out with Danielle for her Space Cadet edibles beach party. We're having our launch party in October. So if you're in San Diego the last weekend of October, you should come out and hang out with us. But I realized that she had a lady there helping her cook. I can't remember her name, but I figure she's at least my mom's age and older, 56, 57 and older. And she was there, happy, smoking her weed, cooking with her friends and them. And so the whole time they're talking to people, they're listening. And Carlos was telling me that cannabis saved his life. He was an alcoholic. He was eating, drinking alcohol for lunch, breakfast, and dinner because that's all he wanted. He didn't want to eat. His wife saved him, but cannabis was the biggest thing. CBD oil he takes helps him with his pain and keeps his that the feeling of missing the alcohol, and smoking weed helps him be able to get out. Because I understand from his position because I went through, not with alcohol, but I went through the emotions where I didn't want to go out, anxiety, depression, a little bit PTSD from the military. But thanks to cannabis, when you smoke it, it makes you feel really good. It helps you get out of your comfort zone and become, more open. And for him, it helps him become, able to get out. Him and his wife there enjoying themselves. I'm watching everybody. I'm like, look, it's a older crowd. They're all there. I'm like, I can just imagine them right now with that cannabis pills in the bed or on the couch watching TV, and they don't get out and about. And so if CBD is helping them with their pain and the cravings of alcohol or whatever they're dealing with, and smoking weed is gonna help them be more happy and be more outgoing and be out enjoying themselves instead of just being stuck at home, then I am just grateful for everything that I'm able to do and to help this community. And no matter what the doubters, anybody say, we just have to keep going for our dreams, and everything's gonna be okay. And as always, sharing is caring. Health is wealth, knowledge is power, and it should always be a safe space. If you want to learn more about education, please go to www.cbd.how right now. Thank you for those who've been donating to cbd.how/donate. Thank you for those who've been supporting B-Plant at bplant.org. Those of you who've been purchasing the shirts, that goes to B-Plant. The link is in our profile. It's also on B-Plant. And I just want to say thank you to the community and those of you who's always been there for us and continue to watch us grow. I love you so much. Have a beautiful day, and remember, always take your CBD.